morning. Welcome to another fabulous episode of this math stuff, where we look at math stuff. Today, we're going to continue on our metric conversion journey. I don't know why I have the spinning circle of doom over here, but it's spinning. All right, we are looking at metric conversions. Yesterday, we looked at metric conversions dealing with what did we look at yesterday? Oh yeah, it's not on here. We looked at the length, which was meters. Remember, we had centimeters, millimeters, kilometers. All of those are length in metric. Today we're going to look at grams and kilograms. I don't know why it says liters and milliliters because we're actually not going to look at that on today's lesson. So today we're going to look at metric conversions for grams and kilograms. Grams and kilograms are what measures mass or weight when we're talking about the metric system. So the same thing, if we were talking about mass and weight in America, we'd be talking about like pounds. All right. In the rest of the world, besides two other countries, they talk about mass and weight. They talk about grams, milligrams, and kilograms to describe things. So we're going to check that out. But first, let's do a warm up. Based on yesterday's information, which one does not belong? So which one of these is not the same thing? All right, out of all four of these, one of these things is not the same. Of course, we can look at our star cheat sheet. And on our star cheat sheet, if I can get it to go where I need it to go, on our star cheat sheet, we have all of the conversions for measurement. On the right side is metric, and on the left side is customary. So we started looking at metric yesterday. So on this tab, we can see that 1 meter equals 100 centimeters. So using this information of 1 meter equals 100 centimeters, which one of these does not belong? Well, 2 meters is equal to 200 centimeters. 2,000 meters, oh my gosh, that's so big. 200 centimeters, that's the same thing. And then here's 2 meters once again visually, so that's once again 200 centimeters. So if we took the amount of meters and multiplied it by how many centimeters are in a meter, then that tells you how many centimeters there are in total. All right, so let's go ahead and move on. So things we're going to look at today are measurements for weight, like grams, kilograms. There's also something smaller than grams that you often see, milligrams. They talk about that with like ingredients to foods and stuff. Milligrams. So milligrams are smaller than grams, and then kilograms are bigger than grams. All right, we'll get a little further into this so it makes a little more sense. So first thing, one paperclip weighs about a gram. All right, so if you need to remember what a gram is, 1 gram is about 1 paperclip. All right, so that means a milligram is, if we look at our star cheat sheet, 1 milligram or 1 gram is 1,000 milligrams. So a milligram would be like if we cut this paperclip into 1,000 pieces, one of those pieces is a milligram. All right. Also, if we look at this, it says that 1 kilogram is 1,000 grams. So 1,000 paperclips would make a kilogram. So let's go ahead and figure out how many grams are the paperclips in each image. So we can count these. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we have 7 grams. On this one, we have 100 times how many? 1 gram equals, we can do the zeros trick. 1 times 1 is 1, and then 0, 0. 100, so that's 100 grams. Let's be specific. And then this one, 250 paper clips times 1 gram equals 250 grams. So by reading the labels, we can see how many grams are in each image. All right, and when we come back, we'll take a look at some more grams, kilograms, and milligrams.